Welcome to Beans, Brews and Bread for January 2024. It's a little bit nippy out here today. We're going to have a quick look to see what we've managed to grow over the winter and into the New Year period. There's some very cold weather, and we're getting down sort of -4 sort of temperatures. We're in the little mini greenhouse today. We'll have a quick look at the square foot gardening, and we'll also have a quick look at some of the other planting that we did with the video over Christmas for the onion sets. So let's go and have a look. Well, we've had some pretty cold temperatures of late, which unfortunately means we've given up the ghost on these Northern Queen lettuce and I think this was kale we had here. Also, the ground is completely hard and crusted over, so the kale hasn't survived there, unfortunately. The fennel was harvested and we've taken all those out. The frost has certainly done for those, but we've been trialling a little experiment with the offcuts of some purchased spring onions just to get some green tips going. And they couldn't come again. Celery, whilst we had a few, some of these stems here have suffered from the frost. The couldn't come again. Celery hasn't done bad at all. The radicchio over here has done not too bad, but I don't think that'll come back. And if it does, it'll probably bolt. The Lorraine or cos lettuce here has also really suffered with the very cold temperatures that we've had. And the spring onions, again, not doing too bad, but I've suffered a little bit with the cold weather. Pak choy, on the other hand, some of it's coming through okay. Some of the smaller ones have suffered. We have been doing those as cut and come again, but yeah, not doing too bad for the square foot planting. If you're interested in getting some plans together for your crops for next year, then I'll put a link in the description below for the Beans, Brews and Bread allotment journal and planner. I've been putting my notes down and labelling things as I go along and setting out a few little notes and measurements for some of the beds for next year and where the crops are going to go. So that's if you do want to help support the channel, then get yourself a copy of that from Amazon, and that'll help. So here we've got the onion sets and shallots that we planted in between Christmas and New Year. Got just a little bit. Some of these were planted with little shoots on, but I think we've had more come through. The soil was frozen a little bit over the last few days, but it has thawed out a little now. So that's the white onion variety that we've got as insurance. As you can see, maybe at the back there, got some little roots popping out already. So I'll give that a little nestle back in. Over here on the red variety, not as many come up in terms of shoots or I see, here we go. This is what we need to keep an eye on, is ones that are going a little bit mushy. So they are isolated, but like I say, if they are going mouldy, I don't really want to try and transfer that over onto the to the plot. So we may sacrifice that one. After that, we've got the shallots down here. These are doing quite nice. These are starting to push their way out with the roots, pushing them out a little bit. So I like to give them a little push back in, just so that the roots can actually anchor them in rather than pushing them out. They seem to be coming on quite nicely. The advantage of this is that they don't, yeah, see the roots on that, that's pretty good. The advantage of this setup with the sets is that the weather has been very cold. They are supposed to overwinter, but I'm not convinced that they'll survive these temperatures or not rot. It's very wet as well, so these provide us with some insurance. We have sown some onion seed. We'll hopefully use these as insurance if they don't pull through. So that's the overwintered onion and shallot sets. Over here we have a few mustards and pak choy type. We may pop these on, see what we get out of these. There's a few lettuce over on this side as well, but we've still got very low temperatures. Obviously very limited germination of whatever I try to put in there, but I'm tempted to prick these on and maybe see if we can get them planted out at home. See if the weather improves and get them planted on. So just a very quick video today on beans, brews and bread. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video today, it'd be grateful if you give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or suggestions, give us an idea what you're looking to grow now. See if you're trying to push the envelope a little bit to get things planted out despite the weather. Do comment below. If you've not subscribed and you want to be notified the next time we put a video out on the channel, then press the subscribe button. It should be flashing away down the bottom somewhere. And don't forget to press the bell icon and you'll be told the next time we've got a video out. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you soon. Bye.